Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's about Mikasa Beauty. They actually contacted me and if I wanted to collab with them, and I said sure, let's collab. Well, they sent me a discount and to purchase their products, and the products came in my mail. So I opened it and this is how it comes with these little things so it can be protected, you know, from the mail. And these how they look like. I like the color. It's black and gold, and I like how it has like a little symbol in the middle or in the ends, and it's actually gold, black and gold, which is I really like the color. And the logo, it's Mikasa Beauty. And this one's, it's a E320 taper blending brush, and that's how you know by their number and the name at the end. And let's see how this is. And it comes with a little plastic thing to be like, you know, like it comes like every brush. And I really like it. It's black, it's like matte black, and it has their logo and the number, and this number is E320, and this is how it looks on the top. And it actually soft. It's actually soft. I really like it. I like how the thing is like silver and then matte black, and it's like peach white on the top, but I really like it. So overall, I like the color. I like their logo in the ends and silver on the top, and it's actually soft. I'm excited to try these and see how it goes. And next thing I ordered was the blending brush, and it also comes long and a logo and their number. This number it's E300, name it's blending brush, and it's gold at the end. Let's see how this one is. So opening, comes same thing, plastic cover, so it's good, so you can know it's not used or anything. It's actually brand new. And this one, it's actually thicker, and it's matte silver, and it's different color than the other one. The other one, it's peach and white, and this one's black. So it's matte black and silver, and their logo and the number. And it's actually soft. I'm excited to use these. So this is a toothbrush. Two brushes that I got. One is thinner and the other one's thicker. They're actually soft. I want to see if they actually stick on your like when you do your eyeshadows, you know how like doesn't stick on your skin and actually inside the brush. But I want to see that if it actually takes it off, you know. And the last thing that the package came with was a free that came with when you order it comes with a free large puff, and this is the Mikasa large puff. And I really like the package. It's all black, and the back it's Mikasa. So I want to see how this one looks. Ooh, it's a big puff and it's soft from the packaging. Let's open this. Oh my god, it's so soft. This is so soft. And it's white and it's puffy. I don't know if you can see, but it's white and it's puffy. And it has the logo in the back, Mikasa. And this, so you can grab it with your fingers, just put it in and just, you know, And it's so soft. It's actually soft. I really like this. It's like a pillow. Maybe it's a pillow, but I'm just kidding. But it's really soft. Well, overall, I really like the packaging. I really like black, and this is black and gold. And the toothbrushes, I'm excited to use and see how that works. But they're actually soft, really, really soft. Yeah, they're actually so soft. I'm really excited to use this and see how I like them. And but overall, I feel that it might work wonders. But I love soft brushes. Some other brushes that I've known is that when you put it on your eyeshadows or your face, whatever, is like hard, and it doesn't like go softly on your skin. It's like it's just hard on your skin, and I really don't like that. I really like really soft when you're trying to blend instead of like that roughness on your eye. So I mean, overall, I really liked it, and I really like the packaging and etc. But the good thing is that if you're interested of this Mikasa product, anyone is interested of these products, Mikasa Beauty, they gave me a code to share with y'all. That's really exciting. Who doesn't like money off on their products? Because I do. Well, the code is Liz Vlogs 25, and when you put it on the coupon bar, it takes 25% off. So just shop away whatever products you really like. They have lashes, brushes, they have so many things. Go check out their website, and if you really like their products, and they're well known on Instagram, they have so many followers. And I never heard of this product, but now that I've seen it, it's actually good. I'll link the code in the description below so y'all can shop away and let me know if y'all really like those products. And just, you know, comment down below and tell me if you really like the products or it didn't do good or anything. But this product is well known and on Instagram, and they're from Canada. I always wanted to visit Canada, but hi from Texas. But alright guys, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and also click that notification button on so you won't miss the fun. Well, until next time, bye.